Do you suffer from back pain? Do you want a bulletproof core? Do you want better posture and endurance? How about around-the-clock fat burning and a faster metabolism? Today we'll explore the incredible benefits of doing planks for just 1 minute each day for 30 days, backed by science research. First, what are planks? Before we delve into the benefits, it's essential to know what planks are and how to perform them correctly. A plank is a static core strengthening exercise that engages several muscle groups, including the abdominals, the back, and shoulders. Now that we know what a plank is, let's explore the science behind this exercise. Planks are unique because they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Research has shown that planks activate not only the rectus abdominis, but also the transverse abdominis, obliques, and erectus spinae muscles. These muscles play a vital role in stabilizing the spine and maintaining proper posture. So what are the benefits of doing 1 minute planks a day for 30 days? Let's check it out. One of the most noticeable benefits doing 1 minute a day planks are the improvements in core strength and stability. According to a study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, participants who perform planks regularly experience a significant increase in core strength, leading to better posture and reduced risk of back pain. Next up is improved posture. Good posture is essential for overall health, and planks can help with that too. A strong core means better support for your spine, resulting in improved posture. A study published in the European Journal of Sports Science found that a 4-week plank training program led to significant improvements in posture, reducing the risk of musculoskeletal issues. Another benefit is support for compound exercises. Compound exercises like bench press, pull-ups, and push-ups all require a stable core to perform correctly. Planks provide the foundation for maintaining proper alignment and form during these compound movements. Next is enhanced balance and coordination. Another fascinating benefit of planks is their impact on balance and coordination. As you can imagine, when we age, maintaining balance becomes crucial to prevent falls and injuries. A study in the Journal of Physical Therapy Science demonstrated that regular plank exercises enhance balance and coordination by strengthening the muscles responsible for stability. Up next, functional strength. Planks promote functional strength, which means you can transfer the strength you gain from planking to everyday activities and other exercises. This can make daily tasks easier and more efficient. Next up, variation and progression. Planks can be modified and progressed to suit your fitness level. As you advance, you can incorporate side planks, forearm planks, or dynamic planking movements, all of which offer unique benefits that can translate into improved performance in other exercises. Let's talk about increased metabolism and fat loss. If you're looking to shed some extra pounds, planks can be a valuable addition to your routine. Planks engage large muscle groups, which can lead to an increased metabolic rate. This means you'll burn even more calories even when you're at rest. It's not a magical fat-burning solution though, but combined with a healthy diet, it can help you achieve your weight loss goals. Next, let's touch base on the mental benefits of planking. First is stress reduction. It's not just your body that benefits from planking, your mind does too. Engaging in daily planking can help reduce stress. When you hold a plank, you're required to concentrate on your form and breathing, taking your mind off daily stressors. This mental break can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. Next up is increased mental endurance. Planks are also an excellent exercise for mental endurance. As you push yourself to hold the position for longer, you're training your mind to overcome discomfort and stay focused. This mental resilience can extend to other areas in your life, helping you tackle challenges with a stronger mindset. Next, rehabilitation and injury recovery. Planks can be used as part of a rehabilitation program to recover from certain injuries, especially lower back issues. They provide a controlled way to strengthen the core and supporting muscles while minimizing the risk of further injury. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise routine, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Here are some tips for success. It's important to keep a few things in mind. First, start slowly if you're new to planking. Gradually increase your time each day. Second, focus on maintaining proper form rather than trying to hold the plank for the longest time possible. Lastly, find an accountability partner or use a fitness app to track your progress. In conclusion, doing planks for 1 minute a day for 30 days is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your physical and mental well-being. With benefits ranging from improved core strength and posture to reduce stress and increase mental endurance, it's an exercise routine that can transform your life in just 30 days. So what are you waiting for? Grab a yoga mat, set a timer, and start planking your way to a healthier, stronger you. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of planking. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more science-based fitness and health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and keep planking.